Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make 4 glam bathroom DIYs you can use for the holidays and after just by changing up some of the pieces. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe and turn on the bell so you can be notified as soon as I upload a new video. For the first DIY, you will need a floral foam block, a silver snowflake ornament, silver wrapping paper, a Christmas tree, 2 square mirrors, silver bows, and a white soap dispenser. Grabbing my hot glue gun, I'm adding glue to the middle of the soap dispenser to add the snowflake. Next, I'm applying the Christmas tree and the floral foam, and this will stay in place so there's no need to hot glue it unless you want to. I cut off the edges of the foam because I don't want the square shape showing after I wrap it with the silver paper. I just grabbed a knife and cut the edges off. All of these items are from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to add the tree in the middle of the wrapping paper and wrap it like if it was a gift basket. Then to secure the wrapping, I'm going to tie it with silver garland and hot glue it to stay in place. Here I'm folding down the parts of the silver wrapping paper that is sticking out too much. You can hot glue it down if you want, but I will be holding it in place with the tree branches. I added garland ties to make the tree look fuller, and I just wrapped them around the spaces that were bare and worked my way up. I glued down the bow and added a gemstone in the middle. This is how the first 2 DIYs turned out, and I made these to go with each other because I wanted them to add a little holiday winter look by the sink. I used the mirrors as a mini tray and added these little gems for more sparkle. You can also paint the tree white using a paintbrush and paint from Walmart for 50 cents. I wanted to show you how it looked with the snow look and without it. Let me know which one you like better in the comments. For the third DIY, you'll need silver ornaments. These were in a 12-pack, 2 square mirrors, microfiber washcloths, a set of bling wrap from Hobby Lobby. You can use the bling wrap from Dollar Tree, but for a few dollars more, I thought this was definitely worth it. I didn't show this part, but add a piece of foam board or cardboard to use as a base for the mirrors and cut it enough so you don't see them when putting the mirrors on top. I then added glue to the mirrors so I can put the bling wrap on top from Hobby Lobby. For the last step, I'm adding a little bit of glue so I can place the ornaments on top, and I'm going to stack them up 3 so that it looks like a little handle. This is how it turned out, and you can use whatever mini towels you have, but for these DIYs I mainly wanted to use Dollar Tree products. It's very beautiful. I love that it's a little mini tray to hold the washcloths. This gives the bathroom such an elegant and glam touch on a budget. For the last DIY, you will need a hand towel, star ornaments, and silver garland. I will add hot glue to the hand towel and apply a row of garland. I'm going to add 4 layers to give it a nice glam look and use scissors to hold it down because you can get easily burned, so be careful. If you don't decorate with silver, you can use gold, red, or green, and if you decide to recreate these DIYs, please tag me on my Instagram. It's LJQueen Home Decor. I would love to see what you make and share with everyone in my stories. I went ahead and put the stars where I wanted them to be before I glued them down. Make sure you do this to avoid any misplaced spots. With the final touch of the bow, the glam hand towel is complete. Like I mentioned before, you can use whatever towels you have on hand. I just wanted to use the Dollar Tree products to show you that you can make any item beautiful on a budget. It sparkles even more in person. It is such a great gift idea. This is only for decoration purposes, and it is only used to decorate, not for actual use. I wanted to show you all the items I made so you can see one last look of how everything turned out. Let me know which one was your favorite and what you would make for your bathroom. Give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying these room DIYs and if you want to see more. Thank you guys so much for watching, for all your continued love and support. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you in my next video. Take care and happy holidays.